डिस्कशन होना चाहिए। स्वयं चेयरमैन ने अनाउंस किया इकोनॉमिक प्राइस राइज, जो उनका डिमांड था उसको एडमिट किया हूं। कोविड का उनका डिमांड था, दैट वाज आल्सो एक्सेप्टेड इन द बोथ द हाउस। एग्रीकल्चरल के बारे में था, that was also accepted. By and large, all parties, including small, big, and everybody, these were the three major issues on the very first BSc, and that was accepted, that was admitted. And in spite of that, then they started with Pegasus and other things, and suo motu statement was made. I am trying to make out a point that the decision, it was pre-decided by the Congress and its friendly party that we should not allow the parliament to function this time, and we should take it forward for a washout. This was their decision. That's why I am trying to count the chronology of the events. In that, first they did not allow introduction of ministers. Then suo motu statement हमने करा दिया, and clarification, presiding officers allowed the clarification. They did not seek any clarification. बाद में आया, राज्यसभा में हमने चर्चा शुरू करने का कोशिश किया, तो 4 तारीख को, and it is a unanimous resolution of the both the houses during 50th year of 50th year and 60th year, that there should not be disruption, all those things, it's okay. But in spite of all those things, they did not allow even the very important bills to be discussed. Every day we used to request them, these are the bills today. And now they are telling that bills were passed in din. I am not going before 2004, but 2004 to 2014. How many bills they have passed? Even media, one of the media report is also there. I am not comparing. At that time, even discussion with the oppositions were not properly held. I was also MP at that time. In one term, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan ji was also there, Anurag ji was also there. Not even discussed, passed in din. The important bill like bifurcation of Andhra was also passed in din. But I don't want to compare with that, but daily we tried to them. हर रोज हम बात करने का कोशिश की कि चर्चा करेंगे, लेकिन आज ये बोल रहे हैं, और कल भी जो कुछ भी हुआ माननीय पीयूष जी उसके बारे में डिटेल में बताएंगे। 4 तारीख को 6 members were named and they tried to forcibly open